this chair so I can walk down here. I'm calling this the 3D printing tent. Unfortunately, the location of this the printer is now in a tin shed or garage. It's a large open workshop, but unfortunately there's no insulation, and we are in winter. It's currently 12 degrees Celsius, and we're late afternoon, so the temperature will be dropping. Even just this afternoon, in the warmth of the day, I think we got up to 13 degrees. The printer was suffering heavily from lifting. I was printing a large flat item and it was lifting something chronic, so I ended up stopping it. And I thought, well, I know I'm supposed to be building a nice enclosure for it out of Perspex, but due to time constraints, I opted for the plastic cover. It'd be interesting to see how well it actually prevents lifting. I'll come back in a little while towards the end and actually, or hopefully towards the end, if it depends if I forget about it, and we'll see how well this keeps the heat in. I did notice putting it through a preheat cycle of the heated bed just after I put the plastic up. The heating up of the heated bed was much quicker. It's been taking half an hour the past couple of weeks to get this bed up to a nice operating temperature due to the ambient air. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. If this does work, they encouraged me to get around to building the Perspex box, which one side kind of is Perspex. There's actually a Perspex sheet here that I stuck there earlier to try and stop the heat, the cold air coming in from the side, which is always prone to lifting. But depending how this goes, yeah, I'll either build out a proper enclosure, or I'll make up a better frame for the plastic tent, because at least with the plastic tent you can fold it up and put it away, because in summer generally I don't need the enclosure. The printer will happily print most of the time, with an ambient temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, but yeah, in this cooler weather it's just giving me issues with large print jobs. I even printed a couple of small items for a friend last week, and even the small, they're only 15mm across, was suffering from issues with the layers themselves not adhering, and it was starting to split apart. So we'll see how this goes. This is actually a case for my orange Pi, which I'm going to use for basically here. It's a little computer that'll sit in here for me to reference the internet when out in the garage, or when it's at idle, it'll probably sit there processing BOINC workflows. But yeah, I'm not too concerned with its power consumption, considering I've got 4.75 kilowatts of solar. During the day it's going to be negligible the amount of power it uses. Even at night, a little ARM powered device uses bugger all. Anyhow, we'll come back to this a bit later on.